What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best car dash cam on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is AZDOME PG17 Wi-Fi Rear View Mirror Camera. Built-in Wi-Fi. PG17 Rear View Mirror Camera allow users to view, share and download videos in real time via Wi-Fi. AZDOME app could playback video immediately after emergency accident. 12-inch IPS touch screen. Front and backup camera could be simultaneously displayed on split screen. Recording video data could be more comprehensive. 12-inch IPS full touch screen could keep clearly view and easily operation. Please format at first time using. AZDOME dash camera offer user free 64 GB SD card. Please format SD card at first time. 2.5K front and 1080p rear camera. Dual cameras give user high-definition display through front and rear 2.5K plus 1080p. AZDOME PG17 dual dash cam could capture road details. IP68 waterproof backup camera. Rear camera PG17 could be installed on vehicle license plate. AZDOME 1080p rear view camera could record the license plate and important information of passing vehicles. GPS. AZDOME GPS player could view the speed, route, latitude and longitude of the recorded video. Mirror camera provides evidence during emergencies. PG17 mirror camera could completely record the driving route data. 24H parking mode. AZDOME PG17 rear view mirror camera provides 2 parking modes. 1. Collision detection parking mode. G-sensor could detect collision and lock the video. 2. Time-lapse parking mode. Dash cam could record continuously for 24 hours. Warranty. AZDOME PG17 provides 12 months warranty and 24/7 technical supports. Please email us when you facing to any problems with after-sale service. AZDOME R&D team will try our best to feedback within 24 hours working days. In our list, the number 4 product name is QOZ Mirror Dash Camera for Car 3-channel. 3-channel camera. The dash cam records in 2.5K plus 1080p plus 1080p HD simultaneously, providing strong evidence in accident disputes. It is a 3-channel car dash cam offering 360 degrees full protection. It has ultra-wide-angle cameras for the front, 170 degrees, interior, 150 degrees, and rear, 150 degrees. Real dual camera. When set to front and rear dual recording mode, the cam provides a 2.5K 1440p resolution front camera and a 1080p rear camera. The full rear display is 1.5 times larger than an ordinary rear-view mirror, which has significantly reduced rear-view blind spots due to software technical display issues. Front camera although show 2.5K, but actual use 4K high-quality front camera. Manufacture. Performance stable. Loop recording and G-sensor comes with an included 64 GB microSD memory card, maximum support 512 GB. Every 1/2/5 minute loop recording. The oldest videos will be overwritten when the SD card is full. Built-in sensitivity. G-sensor can automatically detect a sudden shake/collision and locks the footage to prevent the video from being overwrote even in loop recording. Night vision and WDR technology. Super night vision, with incorporated WDR and HDR tech balancing the lights, and the help of a StarVis sensor and 6-glass lens to capture higher quality images. Driving at night or in any challenging lighting situations should be more effortless. For infrared night vision for safety, the dashcam front and rear inside camera offer 4 infrared night vision LED lights and an advanced StarVis sensor. It captures clear and balanced video in low light conditions, ensuring safety for ride-sharing drivers like Uber, Lyft, and taxi, bus day or night. GPS module with the external GPS antenna plugged in, you can view the GPS info on display while on the wheel. Playback recorded videos on GPS player. Not only can you check the double-channel videos on one screen, but also accurately trace back all the GPS metrics. 24H parking monitor. The 24-hour parking monitor only works on an external power supply, not included. After parking, you can set a time within 24 hours to monitor everything around the vehicle according to your needs. When the TF card is full, the device will receive and automatically overwrite the old file. G-sensor video file will not be covered by loop recording when collision occurred to the car, stored in locked file. In our list, the number 3 product name is JOMISE 4K 12-inch rear view mirror camera. 4K 12-foot IPS full touchscreen multimedia streaming K17 mirror dashcam offers 4K UDH front and rear cameras, allowing the capture of any road conditions and license plate details. Comes with 12-inch super responsive IPS touchscreen display, which helps reduce contrast and causes less stress on your eyes. It allows you to view the recorded video easily and to look at the rear view of your car clearly even on a sunny day. Super night vision and WDR/HDR. JOMISE car dash cam mirror is equipped with a high-quality screen with 70% light transmission, so you can see the screen clearly even when driving in the midday sun. In addition, WDR/HDR automatically adjusts the natural transition of the black and white screen at night or in tunnels to ensure clear shooting. A clear record of beautiful landscapes and traffic accidents, even in bad weather conditions such as rain, fog, and cloudy days. Why choose Type-C? JOMISE has completed the upgrade of the Type-C interface designed for dash cam. Type-C is ultra-thin but with more functions. It supports USB 3.1 high-speed transmission with built-in 24 pins, and it can be plugged and unplugged at least 10,000 times. Compared with the traditional mini USB interface with 5 pins, the Type-C interface avoids the issues that are likely to occur when in use, including black screen, restart, deformation caused by high temperature, and so on. Multifunction, safer driving, streaming media, rear view, 24H parking guard, parking assist, GPS tracking function, G-sensor, collision boot recording, loop recording, adjustable display view angle, etc. 365 days after sales service. We offer highly responsive customer support for every JOMISE rearview mirror camera K17 at any time. Don't hesitate to ask us any questions or assembly issues. Usually, all emails are answered with helpful tips in one business day. In our list, the number 2 product name is ONCHEER rear view mirror dash cam. Wireless iOS CarPlay/Android Auto. The mirror dash camera is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, supports connecting with your smartphone via Bluetooth, accessing to various apps on your smartphone by waking up Siri/Google Voice to control the mirror CarPlay, such as navigation, calling and pick-up phone call, playing music, providing you with a safe and smart driving experience. Full and dual screen mode. 11.8-inch mirror dash CarPlay provides front 2K and rear 1080p resolution, supports dual screen mode for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, full screen mode for Apple CarPlay. In dual screen mode, the mirror dash cam shows the navigation and driving recording together on split screen. Please note, Android Auto didn't support full screen mode. 24H parking monitoring. The rearview mirror camera comes with a hardwire kit for parking monitoring function. No purchase required additionally. This function can provide continuous recording scene which help to monitor the surrounding area of the vehicle while your car is off, recording potential accidents timely while you're away. Note: this function can't be used when the car battery is completely powered off. 2 power supply ways. There are 2 power supply ways for smart rear view mirror. The car charger is plug and play, easy to use. The hardwire kit can keep the rear view mirror camera continuous recording when the car is off. You can choose the suitable one from 2 power supply ways for your needs. Driving recording. The mirror dash camera comes with a free 64G TF card. Supports driving recording and playback of video in any time to view. When TF card is inserted, the mirror camera can automatically start recording images of the surrounding area of the vehicle. This information may serve as important evidence in the event of an accident. Full accessories. This set provides full accessories: 11.8-inch FHD display, 1080p rear camera, 64G TF card, 10.5 feet hardwire kit, 9.8-foot car charger power cord, 18-foot camera extension cord, 3 feet AUX cable, silicone mounting straps, user manual. In our list, the number 1 product name is PORMIDO Mirror Dash Cam. Industry first 12-inch split-screen mirror with detached front cam. PORMIDO front lens is separated from the rear-view mirror screen. Comes with 1 meter extension cable, so you can extend it to different areas of the windshield for flexible view. The front lens will not be blocked by visor or other devices, then eliminates more blind points of your front vision. Anti-glare and best exposure. Different from most dashcams mirror screen, PORMIDO full laminated mirror performs perfectly in anti-glaring from sunlight. Both front and rear car cameras are equipped with 6-layer glass sensor IMX335 at HDR technology. The image or video will not be overexposed by other headlights, so you can see every plate clearly in the night for safe driving. Adjustable reverse lines and longer rear cam cable. You can adjust the parking lines to fit your vehicle for easy reversing. The included back cam cable is 33 feet long, enough for most models. Furthermore, you can order 49-foot cable with us, not included, for big truck, trailer, RV, motorhome, pickup, van, etc. Please contact us if the included backup camera cable is not long enough for you. Zoom rear image and 1-wire plug into mirror. You can zoom in/out the rear view to adjust the rear image size based on actual distance. 1-wire design looks more tidy from the mirror. Other functions are also included. Loop recording offers continuous recording. Even the storage is full. Front and back view displays simultaneously as split screen. G-sensor detects every collision and locks the emergency recordings for proof. Parking monitoring with protection of battery. When parking, this HD mirror cam turns on automatically once it detects any collision, then turns off after locked. A 30-second emergency video. In this way, the car battery will never be drained out even parked for long time. This should work with hardwire kit, not included. Whenever you have any questions about this digital rear view mirror system, please reach us via the service email in user manual. We'll reply within 24 hours.